Question number 5D, next question. Create long vertical spread strategy for Mr. Rahul. Option price for the month of July, exercise price rupees 250 for call option, and option price for the month of July, exercise price 240 for call option. Call premium is rupees 5, call premium is rupees 8. If actual price for the month of July is 0, 50, 240, 244, 250, 280 and 10,000. For Mr. Rahul, you are required to calculate. There are 3 questions: profit loss, break even point and show graph. Friends, over here, cancel the word long. Long is not the correct word which has been used over here. So over here the question says that we are required to create the vertical spread strategy for a trader. Now what is a vertical spread strategy? Let us understand. Heading right down, vertical spread strategy. In that, everybody is requested to pay attention. Vertical spread strategy is a strategy that you can adopt for the purpose of making gain, taking into account your expectation about the change in the price of the security in future. The way you enter into the long position, if at all you're expecting the price to go up, short position, if at all you're expecting the price to go down. Similarly, vertical spread strategy is a strategy that you can adopt when you're expecting the price to go up or when you're expecting the price of the security to go down. In both the cases, you can adopt the vertical spread strategy. Importantly, this strategy can be adopted either by using call options or by using put options. Using either of the options, you will be able to construct a vertical spread strategy in order to make gain in a situation when you are expecting the price of the security to go up, or a situation in which you are expecting the price of the security to go down. In both the cases, you can make a gain. Over here, randomly making an assumption, just for understanding, randomly making an assumption that the trader is expecting the price of the security to go up. I explain you that's how vertical spread strategy can be adopted using call options. Because right now we have understood only the call options, so of course we are required to form the vertical spread strategy using call options, and we are expecting the price of the security to go up. So in which kind of transactions we will enter upon, that I am explaining to you. So now let us have understanding. Everybody is requested to pay attention over here, that in case of vertical spread strategy, trader will enter into 2 transactions at one point of time. Two transactions at one point of time. Full stop. One is to buy call option, another is to sell call option. Full stop. both of them will be for same underlying asset, same time period, with different exercise price. Full stop. So friends, over here in case of vertical spread strategy, the trader will enter into two transactions at one point of time. One is to buy the call option, another is to sell call option. Both options will be for the same underlying asset. It will be for the same time period with a different exercise price. Now my question to all of you is, if at all you are expecting the price to go up, then in that case, between these two exercise price, that is 250 and 240, which call option will you purchase and which call option will you sell? Friends, over here importantly we understand that investor is expecting the price of the security to go up. So we can say that the option having a relatively lower exercise price, that is 240, will have say more payoff. Option having exercise price 240 will have comparatively more payoff in comparison to 250. So what you will do, you will enter into a transaction like this: buy call with exercise price of 240 and sell call with exercise price of 250. Now for the different exercise price, taking into account say the payoff of both of them, premium of both of them, we are required to make the calculation of the profit or loss. We understand that we are expecting the price to go up. So the option which is having the more chances of exercisation, and the situation in which like both options are worth exercising, the option which is going to give more amount of the payoff will be purchased. So now write down a note for this vertical spread strategy. In the write down first point, this spread strategy can be adopted in a situation when a trader is expecting price of security to increase slash decrease. Second point, this strategy can be adopted either by using call options or put options. Full stop. In bracket write down not a combination of both. Third point, in this strategy, trader will A. Purchase an option, comma, B. Sell an option, full stop. Both of them will be for same exercise price, comma, I'm sorry, both of them will be for same security, comma, same time period, and with different exercise price. Full stop. With paragraph write down, importantly, in this question, nothing is specified in respect of expectation of trader, comma. So assuming that trader is expecting increase in the price, comma, answer is calculated, full stop. In bracket write down, we may assume reverse also. With paragraph write down, over here Mr. Rahul will buy call option, comma, with lower exercise price, that is rupees 240, and sale call option with higher exercise price, rupees 250. Heading write down, calculation of the profit or loss for each spot price of security. Column number 1 is spot price, call option holder 240. Exercise question mark, sale price, purchase price, payoff. Call option seller, exercise question mark, sale price, purchase price, payoff. Premium, and last column will be profit loss. That is the way simple table we will have like this. First column is spot price, then call option holder divided into 3 sub column, exercise, sale price, purchase price and payoff. Sorry, 4 sub column. Similar 4 sub column for the exercise price, 250 because you are call option seller, premium, and last is the profit loss. Try to complete the table on your own. Okay. As I told you even earlier, always start with the premium. See, the option having exercise price 240 we have purchased. We understand that the option having comparatively lower exercise price will have more premium. So you have to pay premium of rupees 8 to buy the option. And say you will receive premium of rupees 5. So what will happen? It is 5 minus 8. That comes to negative 3. So we understand that say it is negative 3 in all the situations. So that is the way the premium amount will be calculated. Okay. Second is that say what I am going to solve is this call option holder. That all the 4 columns. In that say always I have told you that say start with the exercisation. At 240 I am indifferent. Below than that say I will not exercise. Above than that I will exercise. If at all I do not exercise or I am indifferent, the payoff value is 0. The amount of the payoff is 0. In case of 244, what will happen? You will purchase a security at 240. You will sell at 244. So the payoff is 4. You purchase at 240. You sell at 250. So the payoff is 10. You purchase at 240. You sell at 280. So the payoff is 40. You purchase at 240. You sell at 10,000. So the payoff will be 9,760. That is the payoff that you will have. Next, we have sold call option. So he is indifferent at 250. Below than that say he will exercise. Above than that say he will not exercise. If he is indifferent or he does not exercise, then in that case the payoff value is 0. I'm sorry. Below that say he will not exercise. Below that say he will not exercise. And above that say he will exercise. If at all he does not exercise or he is indifferent, the payoff value will be 0. So over here 0 payoff, over here again 0 payoff, 0 payoff, 0 payoff, and again over here 0 payoff. When the price is exceeding 250, he will exercise. So he will come to my residence to buy the security at 250. So I will go in the market to buy the security at 280 to be sold at 250. So it is 30 rupees negative payoff. In this case again he will come to exercise. So I go in the market to buy the security at 10,000 which I will give to him at 250. So there is a negative payoff of 9750. Okay. So what happens at say in the first case, second case, third case? There is no exercisation. So 3 rupees is the loss. Over here I receive 4. However, I already have paid 3. So there is a profit of 1. I receive 10. My premium payment is 3. So the profit is 7. 40 minus 30 is again 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9760 minus 9750 is again 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. That is the way we will have the profit or loss in the different situations. Yes. Now we are required to find the break-even point. We can see that over here it is loss, loss, loss and profit. So between these two prices, so there is a break-even point line. Because so the loss of rupees 3 is converted to profit of rupee 1. Loss of rupee 3 is converted to profit of rupee 1. So 3 rupees will be added to 240 to compute the break-even point. That is 243. 243 is exceeding 240. So what happens at say we will exercise our call option. So 240 is the purchase price, 243 is the sale price, so 3 rupees is the payoff. Over here 243 is not exceeding 250. So this option is not exercised. 3 rupees is the payoff, 3 rupees is the premium. So there is a situation of no profit, no loss. In case of 243 is the spot price of the equity share. This is what we understand. After writing this answer, you draw a diagram. This time the diagram will be drawn only for the profit or loss and not of the payoff. Friends, the diagram will be like this. On x-axis we take the spot price of the security. When the price of the security is 0, there is a loss of rupees 3. You can see that say when the spot price is 0, the loss is 3. Price increases to 15, again the loss. 240, again the loss. So till the time the spot price of the security is 240, there is a constant loss of rupees 3 only. At the spot price of the security 243, there is a situation of no profit, no loss. Beyond 243, the profit starts. You can see at 244, there is a profit of rupees 1. At 250, there is a profit of rupees 7. And beyond the 250, there is a constant profit of rupees 7 only. So over here we understand the price of security 250 and above, there is a constant profit of rupees 7 only. So this is going to have the limited profit of rupees 7. This is what we understand. Friends, it is given a name as a spread strategy because you are having both the things. The profit or loss which is limited, which is restricted to a certain values only. That is the reason it is given a name as a spread strategy. That is what we understand. One more important thing that all of you must have observed is like this. Listen me carefully now. See, there are two exercise price. 240 and 250. Premium. Over here it is 8 and 5. This is 8 and this is 5. Now what happens, let's say you purchase this and you sell this. You purchase option having comparatively lower exercise price, so it will have more payoff by an amount of rupees 3, because option having lower exercise price will have higher amount of the payoff. And as against that, say you have made payment of, say, the additional premium of 3. So 3 rupees is, sorry, 10 rupees is the incremental advantage that you have, and against that, say you have 3 rupees of the incremental cost. So your maximum profit is going to be rupees 7 and not more than that. And if at all there is a situation that say none of the option is exercised, then in that case your loss will not exceed the amount of the premium that you have paid, that is rupees 3. This is the logic that say we have of this strategy. If at all the market is having said the too much volatility, even in that case, say you will not have volatility in either of the way. The price increases substantially or price decreases substantially. In either of the case, you will not be having such a huge profit, not a huge loss. So when you want to have a strategy, say which will have, say, not a huge loss, and at the same time you are happy with the limited gain, then in that case this strategy can be adopted, and basically you are expecting the price to go up, so you have purchased option having comparatively lower exercise price. Based on above working, comma, we can say that option having lower exercise price has higher payoff by rupees 10, and for that additional premium rupees 3 is to be paid. Full stop. Hence maximum profit is rupees 7, and if price of security falls down, comma, then maximum loss will be rupees 3. Friends, over here, so this is what, say, like on actual basis, say the Reliance security, for that, say the call option exercise prices and the premium amount is given. I just want to know from you that, say, if at all we adopt vertical spread strategy, for exercise price, let us say 1960 and 2000, considering that, say, the price of the security is likely to go up, then my question to all of you is that what is the maximum gain and what will be the maximum loss?